Excuse me, sir. Would you happen to know the time?
Yeah, bitch. It's time to trap.
What up, peeps? Back once again, Mr. Renegade Master. Power to the people. Back once again. I don't know the words. Exciting news. Somebody's filming at work today, and I'm not quite sure what it's for, but they're going to be filming us doing our jobs. Maybe a promotional video, I'm not sure. Should be fun though. So I'm going to be on camera on the way to work, on camera all day at work, and on camera riding home from work. So that should be fun. That should be super duper fun. And I don't think I've got my hat. But I've got a breeze coming in my jacket. I think one of my vents might be open. That's no fun. I do apologise if I sound shit, but I've had an illness for the last couple of days. It's not coronavirus. Kinda wish it was. Then I could die and not be sick anymore. I'm joking. As far as I'm aware, coronavirus is just like the flu. Let's see what the big deal is about it. At all. Bump. Oh. Bump gets me every day. OU, that's a police car. Undercover police. I'm sure that's the same in every town and every area of every town. There's undercover police cars, but everyone knows what the number plates are because they're all specific. In Luton, they're OU. Like the marked and the unmarked are all OU. I think they've got some sort of deal with Vauxhall or something. I'm not too sure. But what I do know is there's another police van up there, so I'm going to drive nicely. Also means I'm going this way. Not that I'm not legit, I just don't want to get stopped this morning. Ooh, that was slippy. I always forget that there's no sun here. It takes a little bit longer to dry out. It's got some good corners in this area. When it's dry. Oh, this bit's always dry. And the next one should always be dry as well. Well, not always, but when it's not raining, it dries out pretty quick. Oh, cannot wait wait for lighter evenings so I can put my tinted visor back on, because I've got the sun visor down but it's doing fuck all. Piece of shit. Ooh, locked up a little bit. Fuck is this cunt doing? Another police car. Drive nicely, this. Where is he? In the other lane. Cool. See you later, Officer Dickhead. I understand I've got no problem with the police and I've not been pulled over yet, and I would like to keep it that way, so I just try and stay out of their way. My bike's loud, it doesn't look like a 125, and I'm waiting for the day. I'm all legit. I'm not like, I'm all taxed and insured and everything like that. Bike's registered to me, it's all paid off. There's no drama. What the fuck was that? You cutting across there for? Dickhead.